Hi, my name is Ashley Faulkner, and I am your teacher for Python 1. This class can also be taken as honors. In the same room, you don't have to get your schedule changed really or anything. Just let me know that you want to take it as honors. And in this class, we're going to be working towards a credential. It's called the Microsoft Technology Associate Introduction to Programming Using Python certification. It's offered through Certiport. It is a Microsoft credential. And that is what we're going for with this class. This class is very structured. There's 3 units, and inside each unit is several modules. After the first unit and first module, everything else starts to balance out a little bit. It becomes there are 3 units, and there are 4 modules in each one. And then, like I said, it'll start balancing out as to how much work is in each one. Every day we will go over a little bit of a PowerPoint, or I can go ahead and go over the PowerPoint at the beginning. It doesn't really matter as to how that works out. I just go ahead and explain the big concepts to you. And then you will log in and you will upload your assignment to, I think we're going to use Google Colab or Collaboratory. And then you will code, and then you will save your work as a PDF, or you'll print a PDF, and then I have videos on how to do all this, and then you will upload your work to the online website for our classroom. And so for this class, you will need internet, and you will need a computer. Chromebooks will work. So that is good, but you have to have internet to be able to code in Python. So those are your requirements. Other than that, we're going to have our daily meetings, and I hope you come with questions. It's okay. Everybody else is learning with you. I want you to get certified. That is the goal of this course, is for you to get certified, something for you to put on your resume to increase your net worth. So you can ask for more money because you're worth it. So I look forward to the day that we could be face-to-face. Hopefully that'll happen. But either way, I am your teacher, Ms. Faulkner, and you can contact me through email or phone. Both of those are listed on my course website, and I promise I am very quick to respond. I am here for you to succeed. We will succeed. We're going to certify.